have this reoccurring dream. I feel the warmth of the sun on my skin and the comfort of arms around me, and I want to stay there forever. But that would be impossible. I have a severe sensitivity to sunlight. Doctor appointments became a part of my routine.
It's not going to fall into remission, and every year the risk becomes more serious.
So I spend all my time indoors, behind special windows, sleeping during the day and staying up all night, and playing music every chance I get. So I'll keep
Hey.
What should I have said? Hey, I'm Katie Price. I've watched you outside my window for the past 10 years, and I've been in love with you, stalking you every minute.
This is what Taylor Swift does. She has awkward interactions with boys, and then she just writes amazing songs about it.
I don't understand how we've never met. I've probably skated by your house every day on the way to practice. Hey, you wouldn't want to do something sometime, would you?
I'm really busy during the day, but I could be free at night.
What does Katie Price want to do?
There's so many things I want to do.
I've been looking at the stars tonight.
Wait, where are you taking me?
Your first live show.
That was literally one of the best things ever.
Right?
I'll be a dreamer till the day I die.
You coming?
They say, oh, how the good die young.
I am not comfortable with him not knowing.
I'm going to. I just need a little longer of being someone more than just a disease.
This isn't something you can just not tell me.
I'm so sorry.
But we're not the couple who doesn't try.
I don't want a never-ending life. I just want to be alive.
Having someone,
While I'm here.
that's the best part.
And I don't want to see another night lost inside a lonely light. While I'm here, I got dreams in my head and they won't go. Spirits in my head and they won't go. But the heart still rattles, the heart still rattles. Oh,
I've waited my whole life to feel this.